Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and y'all already know how this goes by now. We're about to get right into this wig install. So y'all already know we start with the ball cap. I already have it glued down. Now I'm just cutting off that excess ball cap off, applying a makeup that looks closest to her skin tone. Alright, and now I'm going to cut off that excess lace around her ear. And then I'm going to apply the same makeup I applied on the ball cap onto her lace. Alright, and now I'm about to prep her skin for the meltdown. I'm using 91% alcohol, and then I'm going to allow that to dry, and then after that I am applying a skin guard, and then I also allow that to dry, and then I apply 4 layers of lace glue. Alright, and after that 4th layer has dried, we are now going to lay that lace into that glue, and then I'm going to apply an elastic band on to melt that lace down. Alright, and in between I did go ahead and just blow dry the unit, and now I'm going to cut the excess lace off using a razor. Make sure you're cutting in a super jagged motion, and then we are going to pull the baby hairs out and then melt her down one more time. Alright, and while she's melting, I went ahead and pressed her out, and then I'm going to just cut her down just a little bit. I didn't cut too much off, probably about 1.5 inches. Alright, and after I finish styling, I'm now going to get into the baby hairs. I'm just combing them out, and then I'm going to cut them down and then curl them, and then we are going to lay them.
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch running around this bitch, named all the coders. I just told her make a stoner. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my niece. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Yeah. Laptop, I just pulled up in some fools. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozy. 20 matches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slats and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas. Got a bitch Scotty, I got in my well, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood, now I got the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street, need. Only one she got hit at the spinning knee. I feel a little rich this week, to influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me, honey she needs just a Glock keep. Do rolling 60 locked in seats, me rolling that coupe with a bucket seat. Got it up like a football clique, I use a drop out of that photo G. Call her the plug and he know what I need, they stay underneath so we hardly see. Yeah, come in New York, cash money, yeah. Ain't the same man but I'm stunning, yeah. One of these boys wanna love me, yeah. Now wife it and don't love me, does it, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bitch got an X-stain on her jeans, I know she fucking with us. I fuck with slats and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas.
Ordinary said when you around me, treat me like corduroy, marry on. Arguments you air me out, shit about your whereabouts. I can keep no conflict with you, what can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, know you my thug and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, reminiscing. Maybe I'm missing, I'm wishing, didn't think of what it was. I've been out, baby, no one's still in love you first. No one's seen no fun in us. I've been out, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. Say of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Say of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be not valid till you ambush me.
Alright, and now I'm just defining her middle part.
I say your song, you don't have to listen, no. I've been out, baby, reminiscing. Maybe I'm missing, I'm wishing, didn't think of what it was. I've been out, baby, no one's still in love you first. No one's seen no fun in us. I've been out, baby. And if you wonder if I
Alright, and now I'm just doing my last little touches. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Y'all have me so much love. But thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.
That might